to work on number 5. So for number 5, we have 27 x to the third, and we have 45 x to the second. So to figure out the factors, I'm going to figure out what 27 divides by. I have 1 and 27. It doesn't divide by 2 because it's not even. It does divide by 3, 3, and 9. So I'm going to think, does it divide by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9? And it doesn't. But if you're not sure, you're going to grab your calculator and you're going to do 27 divided by 3, 27 divided by 4, 27 divided by 5, and make sure. And then I have 3 x's as part of my answer. So I'm going to come down here to 45. And I know 45 is going to be 1 and 45 because all numbers have that. It's not even, so it's not going to divide by 2. Let's see. 4 and 5 make 9. So it does divide by 3. It's going to be 3 and 15. And that's a hard one, so it's a good idea to get out your calculator for that one. It doesn't divide by 4, but it does divide by 5, and you get 5 and 9. So your factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45, and you have 2 x's. All right, so when I look at my list for greatest common factor, I want the biggest. So 9 is the biggest thing that I see that they have in common, and I'm going to write down for my greatest common factor that I have 9. And then as far as x's, these x's match, so I'm going to write down 1x, and these x's match, so I'm going to write down a second x. All right, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put 9x squared on the outside. For my original problem, I'm going to divide these by 9x squared. So 27 divided by 9 is going to give me 3. And x squared divided by x to the third divided by x squared. I'm going to subtract 3 minus 2, and I'm going to get 3x to the 1 power. I don't need to write the 1 power there, but I can if that helps me remember what I'm doing. 45 divided by 9 is going to give me 5. And x squared divided by x squared, 2 minus 2 is going to give me 0. So I'm not going to write an x because it's going to disappear. And if I wanted to check my work, 9 times 3 would be 27. X squared and x would be x to the third. And 9 times 5 would be 45. And then the x squared would come down. And I know I did it right. Here is my answer. This is my greatest common factor. This is what I got when I divided that out. And now I have a simplified factoring by greatest common factor.